All right, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I've been getting awesome feedback, so I'm happy to be back with another great video. If you're an e-com store owner, then make sure you watch this video. This is going to be of huge value to you because I know a lot of e-com store owners who work with us or have tried to work with us. One of the biggest things that they can't provide us is high converting creatives. Okay, they're always sending random clips of customers and they don't actually know how to put it together. And I'm going to talk about in this video the top, probably 4 to 5 apps that I use or we send clients to get their video ads created. Yes, these things do take some type of turnaround time, and yes, it requires capital. It's not free. So if you're not looking to spend money or invest in your e-com store, please don't watch this video. This is not for you. But if you're an e-com store owner right now who is always hitting this stump of like, I can't get new creatives. Where do I get new creatives from? Do I keep paying a videographer? Do I keep paying a photographer hundreds of dollars a month? Well, there are a lot cheaper options right now for you. So I'm actually on my laptop right now. First app is Adroll, okay? Adroll has tons of video libraries that they can use. You can provide them video clips and they will put it all together for you, okay? My favorite software to use is Billow, but we're gonna talk about Adroll right now. So Adroll does, tons of drop shipping stores. They have a video library of all the stores from like Alibaba and AliExpress. They're able to take all these videos that they get through their library and they have access to thousands and thousands of products. So if you run a drop shipping store, they can take, different clips, from their library or find them because they have such a huge database and that they can put a video together for you, okay? Adroll also has the ability for you to get, access to all these video libraries for only 19 bucks a month. Now, I know that might sound very cheap for people. You're probably wondering like, well, is there a catch? There is better price that you can get if you contact their support team where they have like even, more access. If it says here, if you spend over $65,000 per year on ads, please contact, sales for pricing of your business needs because they figure you're gonna need more bulk pricing on those videos. But you can get, more access that way. There's, Crosschannel. They do brand awareness ads, retargeting. They do, web, Facebook, and Instagram inventory, dynamic product, static, and video ads. They also offer email services as well. I did not even know that. They also, check your customer avatar. They do your list upload and management. They do your advancing custom audiences. They also integrate with Shopify and other CMS and other, CRMs as well. So it's a really great platform. Second one is Billow. Okay, Billow is probably my favorite one because you can literally on demand buy videos and actually ship your product to influencers, actors, video creators, just starting at 59 bucks. You can literally take your product right now. You don't have to pay a videographer 300 bucks for a video shoot and then wait 3 days for editing and pay for that. You don't have to, find your friend to shoot a video. You can literally send your product, ship it for 59 bucks to a video creator or an actor who is actually experienced in making ads, and they will make a video for you. And they have all types of videos that they make. They make video ads, testimonial ads, unboxing videos, how-to videos, and even 360 videos. So if you're a starting e-com brand who's doing private label, then you will send the product to them. They'll get your video to you in maybe like 2 to 3 weeks. And what I would normally suggest for something like this is you don't want to just wait 2 to 3 weeks for one video. So make sure you buy more than one, okay? Because you want to be able to be like, hey, 2 to 3 weeks, I could have 10 videos, I could have 20 videos. Like if you're actually a brand that wants to put money up, I would suggest you buy between 10 and 20 videos. And yes, I'm talking about spending $1,000 to $2,000 on video creatives. It's very important because you need to have these video ad creatives to run for a long, long time. I would say that most ad creatives will last about 1.5 to 2 months. If it's a good winning ad, it will last about 1.5 to 2 months. So if you have, a good 5 to 10 videos, that will last you a while you're accumulating all that ad revenue and all those sales coming in from the ads, and you can keep buying more and more. Maybe you can try some testimonial ads for retargeting. You can do some unboxing videos for brand awareness. You can do some how-to videos for retargeting. You could also do 360 videos that are like this new editing thing that you can do. I'm not very experienced in 360 videos, but they're doing very, very well on cold traffic for some of my, fellow agency owners who are running ads with that. The best part about this too is that you can pick the sizing. So if you want to get a bunch of vertical video ads, you want to run it on TikTok, you can also use it for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Snapchat. You can even push it on YouTube Reels. It does not matter. You can run all these different variations on different platforms. So you can kill 2, 3, 4, 5 birds with one stone. The next app is Bands Off Ads. Bands Off Ads I've used countless times in the past. They do multiple variations in some of their, packages. You get your video ads in 1 to 3 days. You can get, fully edited drop shipping video ads. They can also make video ads with your own assets, and they'll edit them in 1 to 3 days. It's about $60 to get 3 video variations, which is very affordable. And also they have like a discount code that you get when you first sign up for your account for 10% off. So it's like 50 something bucks for 3 different variations with the same video assets. So they change up the thumbnail, they might change up the beginning of the video, the middle of the video, the end of the video, different text. So you're basically getting 3 videos completely different for about 20 bucks each, which is very, very affordable. Also, they are bringing new features into Bands Off Ads where they're doing brand ambassadors now. So it's just like Billo, except Bands Off Ads has taken its own network and developed that part of their business out. So you can send products off to brand ambassadors just like Billo and get video ads shot for you as well. It's a lot more affordable than just going to, a videographer or a photographer as well. The next app is ecomvids.com. Okay, Ecom Vids does videos for tons of products. They do, direct response video creatives. They do ads for Pinterest. They do ads for YouTube, Amazon, Instagram, Facebook, basically the whole 9 yards. And these videos are like very well edited. You can send them to, other actors, influencers as well. They're completely done for you. They have a full production team. It's like really insane, the stuff that a lot of these companies are doing. They're taking a huge market space and being a middleman for e-com store owners between their ad platforms and like doing all the videos done for you. It's a lot more affordable as well. So basically how it works is you select, the video creative that most applies to you. So this could be, some of them are not cheap though. They have some really good video creatives that you could get done as like inspiration. So you're checking out, you're like, hey, I really like how this video is. I want this done for my brand. And you pick your theme and then you fill out your creative brief, and then you ship your product, and then they'll make you like an Asana account where they update you on how the video's going. They'll send it to you for revisions, and then basically you get your killer creative in 15 to 20 days, it says, which is just as long as Billo. It's probably a little bit shorter than Billo, the 15-day mark. If you do get in 15 days, it's gonna be a lot shorter than Billo. And then the last platform is ecomxads.com, okay? 1 to 2 day delivery, kind of like Billo. kind of like Bands Off Ads. And they also have a guarantee too behind it. So if you don't like the video, you get a full refund, 100% satisfaction guarantee. They also do the copywriting for you. So they can do your video creatives. They also do, TikTok. They'll also do a split test pack. They also do image creatives, and they even do product page copywriting, which is insane. And then they do product research as well, where they'll get you product reviews and give you suggestions on what you should sell with your e-com store. And also they do drop shipping product research as well. So the first one's for private label, and then the second one is for drop shipping products. So I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, please subscribe for more videos like this, like and comment below. And if you are an e-com store right now that is looking to run ads for their business, you can hit that button down below in the description to book a call with me and my team. I'd be happy to work with you and talk to you about more details on how we can help you scale your business. So thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video.